Unpacking your carbon footprint. One day, Ying wanted to go out and play. Just then, her phone suddenly received a notification. A sudden air pollution alert notification popped up, preventing her from going out. Ying went online to search for information about air pollution and discovered that air pollution is closely linked to the carbon footprint.
What is a carbon footprint? For example, food miles. The harvest by fruit farmers. Flight to Taiwan. To supermarkets for sale. And finally reaching the hands of consumers. For example, personal. The oil refinery. Cargo transported by ship. Tanker trucks transportation. To gas stations. And for us to use in our personal cars. Transportation process. With each transportation process, the carbon footprint increases. How does too much carbon footprint affect the environment? Rising sea levels. Several low-lying countries that are severely impacted. These include the Maldives and Pacific Island nations. Next is global warming. The melting icebergs have caused more vegetation to grow in Antarctica. High temperatures have covered Taiwan for 41 days, severely affecting the quality of life. Taiwan's annual carbon emissions, for example, in 2023, 320 and 7,500 million metric tons, 6 and 415,000 billion hectares, 485 building Taipei 101. What is a carbon label? The energy product uses shows how much coal it gives off. Green leaves for health environmental protection. Take care of nature, cut down carbon, cool the earth, go green, and aim for a low-carbon world. How do you calculate your tracks? Example of means of transport. Carbon emissions equals travel distance x emission factor per km. Examples. By a plane with a one-way distance of 2,100 kilometers and an emission factor of approximately 0.115 kilograms CO2 per kilometer. 2,100 km times 0.115 kilogram coals. km equals to 141.5 kilogram coals. How can we reduce carbon emissions? We follow a plant-based eating and drinking. Use public transportation instead of a private car. Use reusable bags to reduce the use of plastic bags. Buy seasonal and local fruits and vegetables. Let's reduce our carbon footprint together. Go on an adventure to Sanya.